Hey friends, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I am Tanya. Hope you have liked all my previous videos, and today I am back again with review of another skincare product. So the product is this. The product is actually the Innisfree Green Tea Seed Serum. Let me first tell you one thing, that Innisfree is the number one Korean brand, and this one is basically for the oily skin because it contains the goodness of green tea. So first come about its packaging, its price, and the quantity of the product. So this particular product, I have purchased it from the Nykaa online store. I am giving the link below in the description box so that you can easily check it out, and you can get this from any online store and also find it on the official site of the Innisfree. This one has cost me 1950 and it contains about 80 ml. The price sounds a little bit higher with according to the quality, with according to the quantity and with the comparison to the other brands. Just because Innisfree is the number one Korean brand, that's why it's a little bit costlier product. So it comes in this kind of green colored bottle, green color transparent bottle, as you can see, with a nozzle like covering on the top, and it has a nozzle form and has a green colored covering. So next come about the benefits of using a serum and the special benefits of particular this one. So using a serum helps to give you a very brighter and natural looking skin, and it glows from the deep within. And the skin green tea seed serum from the Innisfree brand specially helps to relock the moisture in your skin, helps to brighten up your skin, and will help to give you a very bright and youthful look to your skin, especially those who are having the problem of oily skin. The benefit that I have got from this product is that I have got a very brighter look, a very beautiful looking look, a very healthy glow by using this product. I haven't used this one for the past 1 year. I haven't covered, actually I haven't used this for the 1 year. Just using this product for few months, I have get a very better result for my skin, and my skin has glowed from deep within. So it's a very fabulous product, and it's a very useful product for those who are having the problem of oily skin, because the green tea in the serum helps to combat with your oily skin too. So if you want to ask me the rating of this product, I just love to give a 5-star rating to this product. So I'm going to apply it onto my hand to show you how much little or less quantity you need of the product to apply it onto your skin. So see, I'm just taking a little bit of product like this, a single drop, and I'm applying it onto my hand, and you can see that how easily it gets absorbed onto the skin. So you just need a very little amount of product for your skin. The one of the most thing that I want to say is that use serum regularly for your skin. You can use it 2 times a day, during the day and during the night time also, but it's very highly recommended, and it's very useful to use serum at least during your night time routine. You can skip the use of it during the daytime routine, but it's very useful to use it during your night time because it's the main food for your skin and also helps to work on your skin overnight. But one thing that you have to keep in mind, that you have to choose serum according to your skin type. At first know your skin type, then choose your serum with for your skin according to that type. But if you are having the problem of oily skin, if you have oily skin, then you can easily go for this product because it's a very much lovable and very much useful product, I must say. So girls, and to all of those who are having the problem of oily skin, you can buy this and use this, and you will see the difference within a week. So it's all about my today's video about the usefulness of a serum and also the review of the Innisfree product. Hope you guys like my videos very much. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of the new video whenever I uploaded it in my channel. And also comment down in the comment section that what serum you use for your skin, and if you are using this Innisfree product, this Innisfree green seed serum, then also let me know what are the benefits you are getting from this product. So friends, see you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe. Bye bye.